Alright, today we're going to take a look at one of the cooler Zippos I just got in. And this is a special one. I haven't seen it anywhere before. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box. And the label on it says Ryder 75th anniversary. Of course it says genuine Zippo, made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing really special about the box except that it's made in USA. So there is the 75th anniversary of Ryder. And now it's on a red matte finish. And this one looks like it was made in, I think that's L. Pretty sure that's L of 15. So it's about a year and a half old. Check that out. It's got a real good sound. Stainless steel insert. Lights up nice. That's the 75th anniversary of Ryder. And there's one of his signature BB guns. Let's do a little drop test on old Red. Make it a lit drop test from about 2 feet. So it passes the drop test easily. That is the Ryder 75th anniversary Zippo. And Ryder deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.